The Document Object Model, DOM, is a programming interface for web documents. In the context of JavaScript, the DOM represents the structure of an HTML or XML document and provides a way for programs to interact with and modify the document's elements, attributes, and content. When a web page is loaded in a browser, the browser creates a DOM tree, which is a hierarchical representation of the page's elements. Each element becomes a node in the tree, and these nodes can be accessed, manipulated, and updated using JavaScript. With the DOM, you can perform various operations on web pages, such as accessing elements. You can use JavaScript to select elements from the DOM tree by their tag names, IDs, classes, or other attributes. This allows you to retrieve specific elements to work with. Modifying content. You can change the text, attributes, or style of elements within the DOM. For example, you can update the text of a paragraph, change the color of a button, or add new elements dynamically. Handling events. JavaScript enables you to respond to user actions, such as clicks, mouse movements, or keyboard inputs. You can attach event listeners to elements and define functions to be executed when the events occur. Creating and deleting elements. JavaScript allows you to dynamically create new elements and insert them into the DOM tree. Similarly, you can remove or replace existing elements as needed.